All right, Monday morning and I forgot my hat. Probably not having a great hair day. We are ripping out an old pond that's been in the ground for about 1,000,000 years, building a new one at this house that I guarantee you've never seen anything like this before. Check this bad boy out. Bad boy has definitely seen better days.
Yeah.
What we got going on here, boys?
Nice redo. It's gonna see better days here by the end of this week.
A little wider. Bridge is coming out. Some stepping stones are going in. Nice little facelift, pretty much. Yeah.
One shift later.
Sorry guys, we missed this morning's video, but so far we got waterfall and stream and stuff done. About half of the pond rocked in. Tomorrow we'll add a fish cave. And we're gonna do probably 3 to 4 steppers going across the pond, and we'll be pretty much there tomorrow.
Brought the weather with us. Out here for day 3, checking up on the boys. Supposed to be 70 degrees tomorrow, and this is snow or sleet, I'm assuming. But we're building ponds in February. Can't complain about that. There he is. So it's a little bit of a muddy mess. I'm sure all this sleet and snow is not going to help. Rebuilding an existing pond. Saw before, we dug all this out, made it bigger. Got some stepping stones going across here, looking pretty slick.
Next day.
All right, day 4, picking up on this pond rebuild. You can see short sleeves t-shirts, about 72 degrees right now. Yesterday we were out here, it's sleeting and snowing. Crazy world, check it out. Pressure washing the pond down, getting it all ready, cleaned up so we can fill it up. Looking pretty sharp.
Next morning.
All right, we're here. Back up from the final product. This 4-day pond build. I must say so myself. Pretty impressed. You think so, champ?
We turned it out there, boss. It's real good. Real good.
wrap February pond build. Be back in the spring whenever that gets here. Get this thing all planted up with some aquatic plants. Finish it off. There he is.
like me? If you do, please say.